And number 3, no public funds were used for all my travels. I did not charge representation. I did not charge tickets. I did not charge per dime for all my travels in the office of the Vice President. So if you can see in the breakdown of the budget of travel for Office of the Vice President, you can see that there was a zero amount for the Vice President.
Thank you, ma'am.
Madam Chair, just to follow up on the question, so una po, salamat po sa Vice President
I'm sorry,
for detailing.
that was your last question. I'm sorry.
Follow up po lang po yung
I'm sorry.
personal po ba ang lahat
In the
at
interest of time, we have to proceed.
magkano po ang ginastos ng opisina at staff? Kasi totoo po, wala daw ginastos
I'm sorry.
ang ginastos.
I'm sorry.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Parliamentary inquiry. Madam Chair, I thought we're going to accord institutional courtesy to the office of the Vice President. Bakit po natin binabanatan? Bakit natin tatanungin?
It's already settled that we'll just giving
Mr. Chair,
questions from the minority. Okay?
Mr. Chair, hindi po,
5 minutes each.
wala pong binabanatan dito.
Does
I
not
take
preclude
exception.
other members from manifestation.
I take exception to the use of the term binabanatan. Nagtatanong lang po tayo rito at lihitimo naman po ang mga tanong.
Madam Chair.
So maybe I ask the Congressman.
Mr. Chair, may we request a suspension of
Session suspended. Hearing is resumed. Madam Chair, I would like to correct myself. I was informed that I mentioned that the travel authority is approved by the Office of the Vice President. The travel authority is approved by the Office of the President. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. The correction is duly noted.
Yes, Madam Chair, may I move that we strike out the word binanatan uttered by Rep. Marcoleta. Wala naman pong binabanatan.
Second.
There is a motion to strike off from the record the terminology binabanatan. It has been duly seconded. The motion is carried.
Madam Chair, just a 1-minute manifestation on the striking of the record. I have no objection. However, I just want to explain that in the previous debates, in the previous legislatures before us, in the interim Batasang Pambansa, when an assemblyman from the city of Manila was attacking the late president, there was a motion to strike off the record of what he discussed on the floor.